Um, okay, so here is Google. First, go to Google and type in XAMPP. To search this in, there should be a thing like this. Um, Go to this website. It should be www.apachefriends.org. Do not do any other website and download it because I don't know if it's safe or not. Go to any of these. I have this, so I would do that, but just do any of that, and all you do is you download it, and then you really just run it, and this should come up when you do it, and these, try starting them. If it doesn't, do setup, and it should give you some things, and it's pretty easy just to set it up. And after you have that, make sure both of these are checked and both of these are start. You don't have to do FileZilla or Mercury. You can exit out of that if you want to. Now that you have this installed, go to HTTP localhost XAMPP. 1.72 is the one that I have. Go to security. And what you have to do is you got to do this. And this shouldn't come up when you go on because you don't have a current password. It should just say new password, repeat new password. Your name is always root. Just type it in and should have that. Go to localhost, the PHP my admin. Go to there, and it should come with this, and type in your password you just changed it to. I did this before, but my microphone was unplugged, so create a database called login. And when it's in the table, do users, and then in the number of fields, just do 4. And when it does that, what should happen is then what you do, go in here and in this, make it user, and then under dash ID. The other one is username, user under dash password, user under dash reg date. Make this int and don't put in any number. Make this varchiter and put it as 30. Make this one also varchiter and put it at 40, and put it user reg date put as int and 11. Then on user ID, you go down and there should be a thing called AI, which means auto increment, and you check that box. It's a box. Then there should be another thing, and it should say index, like a drop-down box. And in the user ID thing, click on the index drop-down box and click primary, then save, and it should make this. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is, what you have to do is you got to, I'm just gonna show you, yeah, sure. What you're going to do is, when you have XAMPP, you have to go into your computer. There should be a thing called XAMPP right there. Go all the way down to XAMPP again. Then do htdocs, and this is where it should bring you. Then right click and create a new folder and call it whatever you want. I called it YouTube tutorial folder because this is where I'm making my PHP thing. Or files. I made a MySQL thing, but I deleted everything so I can show you. Open it. Okay. I'm gonna resave it after. Put in this. Type in your password here. It isn't Evan Evans for you guys. It's for me. So. And do whatever you named it. I'm going to call mine login 2 because that's what, see right here, this is called login 2. I recommend you do login, just log in, but I already made that for my real website. So now what I want you guys to do is go right here and do that and type in my SQL server domain. Go down. My SQL username. Go down. My SQL password. My SQL database name. After you have that, enter and do this. Or die. Die doesn't mean like anything funny, kinda like, or die. It's actually the thing for if it errors. Don't just say error. You should actually say to database because then you know that it was connecting to the database that was bad. And then select equals select database. Then put in these variables. Database. Connect and or die error selecting database. Do that, enter. And now you're done with your MySQL. Just this. I'm going to save as so I can show you guys what to do. Okay, when you're in here in your folder thing, you type in MySQL. Remember to call this MySQL.php. It's very you have to name it MySQL.php, and this will just override it. Make sure it's all files. Yes, I want to replace it. Okay, so now I have that. That's pretty much all I have for you guys right now. So I'll put up a tutorial soon. Hopefully my sinuses will calm down. But just do this, and then soon I'll put up, like probably today, I'll put one up, and it will actually be how you register an account and how you can log in a user-only place. Okay, thanks.